Hey, let's talk about this month's super awesome specials. Yeah, we'll go with that. The first one being ginger. Ginger is this month's 10% off, as well as we're going to talk a little bit about MetaPWR, which is the product of the month, which is free with your 125 PV LRP order. Coming up. All right, we're talking ginger. Today, ginger is easily accessible in local grocery stores and markets, but back in the 14th century, its cost was about the same amount as a live sheep or even other livestock, thanks to its widespread use as a tonic to treat many ailments there. A featured ingredient in many Asian dishes, ginger has a hot, fragrant flavor when used as a kitchen spice. In Western tradition, ginger is used most often in sweets such as gingerbread and ginger snaps, and the spice often evokes feelings of Christmas time. Now, the root is steam-distilled, and it has a warming and stimulating aroma. In Chinese medicine, though, ginger is one of the most used herbs because of its warming properties, which helps reduce internal dampness of the body. What is that? Yeah, that's what I had to look up too. Internal dampness is a physical, mental, and sometimes even emotional condition associated with a feeling of heaviness, of fatigue, and excess fluid. I hope you learned something, because I did. All right, the most potent form of ginger is the essential oil because it contains the highest levels of gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and numerous other health benefits. Ginger essential oil is used to treat nausea, digestive distress, even menstrual disorders, some joint discomfort or chronic discomfort, and even some respiratory conditions. It's also known to bring on feelings of courageousness and self-assurance, which is why it's often referred to as the oil of empowerment. Now let's look over some key benefits. Because it contains the anti-inflammatory properties, it may help relieve nausea and vomiting, and it encourages blood circulation, provides immune system support. It also helps improve mood and can aid that digestion. It will stimulate libido and, of course, treats respiratory conditions. Now, dilution is recommended for those with sensitive skin, but I'm going to say dilution is really always recommended. Let's talk about 7 ways that you can use ginger. 1, it can help, of course, ease that stomach discomfort and morning sickness. 2, promote digestion. 3, aids in supporting the body. Sorry, I lost you. Found you. Aids in supporting the body to heal infections. 4, it can ease the symptoms of a cold or sore throats. 5, it can support the body to reduce inflammation and joint discomfort. 6, can help relieve feelings of anxiousness, sadness, and exhaustion. And 7, may alleviate pain from joint and muscle discomfort. This oil is 10% off all January. Order it whenever you're ready. MetaPWR. If you haven't tried our MetaPWR blend before, this month you can get a 5 ml bottle for free with your 125 PV loyalty rewards order. Just place that order before the 15th. If you need help getting that done, go ahead and message me. I'm here to help. All right, but let's talk a little about one of the powerful ingredients found in MetaPWR blend, grapefruit. It's one of those 5 essential oils in our MetaPWR blend, which also includes lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon bark. But here are 3 things you need to know about this grapefruit powerhouse essential oil. 1, it puts the brakes on fat. You heard it right. Grapefruit stops fat cells from being created and also stops the existing fat cells from growing and getting bigger. Now, I don't know one person who wants to pass on that outcome. You can add a few drops to your water to get it inside you so you can work from the inside out. But it also reduces anxious feelings. Grapefruit is known to be a mood lifter and create a calm and uplifting atmosphere. Add it to your diffuser at work or home to surround yourself in pure joy and happiness. But let's talk about the chemistry. The major chemical component in grapefruit is d-Limonene. This component is known to be an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. There was a study done with mice who were broken into 2 groups. Group 1, super awesome, they were healthy mice. Group 2, they drew the short stick. They were mice that were induced with diabetes. The group with diabetes were broken into 2 groups. One group was put on a medication called glyburide, and the other grapefruit. I don't know if it was the oil or not, but grapefruit. The mice given grapefruit had the same blood sugars as the healthy mice and the ones on glyburide. That's pretty awesome. So d-Limonene has been found to create healthy blood sugars even in those compromised. And while, of course, we can't guarantee the transfer from mice to humans, it's promising to see such results. Again, this freebie, the MetaPWR, is only available during January when the loyalty rewards order is 125 PV or more. If all of that sounds confusing, message me and I'll get it sorted out. But do it before the 15th because that's when the product of the month is no longer available. See ya.